What's up,
Sure,
man?
what's up, man?
All good?
Yeah,
Ready for
yeah.
tonight's party?
Yeah, man. Let's
awesome.
go. Let's
We're
go.
down.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
I'm ready.
All right. I got one question for you though. I don't want to burst any bubbles.
What? What do you got for me?
What you got growing?
Oh man, it's a mullet, man. You don't like it?
I'm not digging it. No, it's gotta go.
All right, let me call my boy Alex real quick. He works magic. Let's do it.
All right.
Yo, Alex.
Yo, Peter, what's up, man?
Hey, man. I need a quick haircut. You need to work your magic. Let's do it soon, like tonight, right now. Let's go.
Magic.
Cool.
Yo, why does this man always need me last minute? I mean, first it was the mullet, and now this. I mean, he's my boy, and I got him no matter what, but like, dang. All right, let me go save this man for this party. Yeah, of course, man. Just give me like 20 minutes, and I'll be right over.
All right. See you. Bye.
All right, peace. What's up, everyone? It's your man Alex, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be cutting my man Peter's hair yet again because he doesn't want the mullet. It's out, it's not in style anymore, it's no good. So we're gonna be cutting off the mullet and making my man look like David Beckham. So using the number 3 guard with the lever completely open, I'm gonna be taking off all of the bulk on the sides and back of his head to give myself a clean canvas when I go and fade the hair.
Wow.
So like I mentioned before, my man Peter wants a David Beckham hairstyle, and for this one in particular, it's gonna be like a military style, crew cut-ish haircut. So I'm gonna be going up really high, just above the eyebrows with that first guideline, and then after that, I'm gonna be going in with the 1.5 guard and cleaning everything up on the sides and back. So for the second guideline, I'm going to be using the number 1.5 guard with the lever open and going up all the way into the part line and removing all of the bulk. So just to give you guys a quick tip, whether you're cutting your own hair or you're cutting somebody else's hair, notice how when I'm using the clippers, I'm not digging directly into his scalp, going with the shape of his head. I'm also flicking up and away from his head once I get towards the length at the top. And this is really going to create a really nice shape and make it easier for you when you bust out the thinning shears and start cutting the length on top. And so before we get into some thinning shear work, I'm going to be using the number 1 guard with the lever completely open this time and flicking out that middle hard line and really making this fade come together. And notice how when I'm flicking out this hard line, I'm starting from below the hard line and flicking up into the hard line as I'm flicking out. I'm not starting at the hard line and then flicking up and away, because I'm not trying to push the guideline even higher and make the fade look more compressed. So using the number 8 guard with the lever open, it's going to be just above 1 inch. So using this guard, I'm going to be removing all of the bulk on the top of his head and really just make it a little bit easier for myself when I bust out the comb and the scissors and start to really shape this haircut.
Straight up.
So for the scissor work, I'm going to be leaving about 1 inch of hair on the top of his head, right by the fringe, and then just gradually shorten it as we get towards the back. So you guys already know that I vouch for thinning shears, and I 100% recommend that you guys buy a pair, but using them on the sides of your head by your part line and the back of your head by the crown, and then blending all of that hair into the length on top, it's always going to be a great option to use. So I wanted to freehand a little bit just to get any of the flyaways off the top of Peter's head. But if you guys want to do it, make sure you have a steady hand and ask whoever you're cutting if it's okay, just to be a little bit cautious, because it can get a little bit dangerous freehanding on the top of their head. So now using a straight razor, I'm just going to be doing some detail work to really make the haircut come together. And then I'm also going to be using the trimmer to get all of the hair around his hairline and make it look a little bit more crispy. Alright, so now that the haircut is finished, I'm going to be using a high hold pomade to style this bad boy and really make it look like that David Beckham hairstyle.
Straight up.
And then boom! That's the haircut transformation, you guys, from mullet to David Beckham hairstyle. If you guys did like this video and you want to see more content just like it, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and make sure you guys click on that post notification bell as well to never miss any new videos. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace!
Choose your character.
Instinct.
Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Alex is the man. Let me call my boy Alex over here.
Please, let's
This
see.
guy, this
What can
guy
Alex
works
do for me?
magic. Don't worry, he's got me. Yo, Alex. Hey, man. Guess that's that time again. I need a haircut. I need you to work your magic. Can you do that for me soon? All right. I'll see you then. Peace.
Thank goodness.